On my first year out of Elite, I made double what I took out in student loans in extra money. So how I got started in this, I was in college at the time doing molecular and cellular biology, and I found out I was going to make $9 to $12 an hour. So I decided to try something else. Since I was a kid, I've liked working with my hands. I went in and I shadowed somebody, and I decided, hey, I'm going to try this out and see if I'm any good at it. I got into Elite, and that was the first place I ever liked the school I was going to. You spend your time learning how to do the job versus sitting in a class listening to somebody talk about it. And it's a lot of fun, actually. You see some of the stuff that these welders put out, and it is really an art. I related it to like icing a cake, just doing it with metal. Now, if I could talk to myself when I graduated high school, I'd have said, don't go to college. It isn't for you. I'd have told myself to go do something with my hands like I wanted to originally. If you can become a welder, pass that test, your loan will get paid off in the first year, because as long as you spend your money right, then the rest of it's yours. And this is not a unique story. You hear that over and over and over again. You take out more of a loan on a car than you're doing for this, and this will make you money.